Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your work. Copy the game folder to a backup location so you can revert instantly. Then install the correct Unity editor and any required SDKs that match the game's engine. Mismatched tools cause crashes. Once done, enable verbose logging and switch to windowed mode so you can read errors and pause quickly. You'll start with reproducible steps, so make sure to note the exact action that triggers the bug before changing code or assets. You reproduce the bug consistently and capture console output, stack traces, and timestamps for context. Then apply a binary search approach. Disable half of recent changes, mods, or custom assets to isolate the problematic area quickly. Once isolated, inspect corrupted assets, re-import textures, meshes, and audio files, and compare file sizes and import settings. While doing this, step through code with a debugger to watch variable values. This shows you why the error occurs and points to the minimal fix. You implement the smallest reliable fix, change one function, update an import setting, or replace a corrupted asset, because minimal patches reduce regressions. Then run 3 full playthrough tests, and any unit or integration checks for the impacted systems to confirm stability. If the issue persists, revert to your backup, reproduce the bug on a clean install to rule out environment problems, and prepare a concise report with logs and steps to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.